Okay, so how to get a copy of your W-2 from the IRS website. There's two ways to get a copy of your W-2. One from your company, two from the IRS. So if you're having difficulty getting a copy of your previous W-2 information, you can get a copy from the IRS. For 2023 W-2 information, you would have to get that from your company because 2023 information is not available on the IRS website yet. That's not going to be available on the IRS website until probably after April 18th of 2024. But to get previous W-2 information or any copies of tax returns that was filed in the past, you go to irs.gov, right? And once you go to irs.gov, you can go to the search engine, you can put in get transcript, and then you hit enter. Then from there, you want to see a tab that says get your tax records. You click on get your tax records, then you click here, scroll down and go to get transcript online. And then you have to log in with your username and your password. If you don't have a username and password, you can create a username and password, right? So you can either sign in with an existing account or create a new account. So if you don't have an account, you click on create an account. From there, you're going to put in your email, password. They're going to send you a security code, and then you follow the steps, and then you'll be able to get a copy of your W-2 information, okay? Or a copy of any type of document you need, right? So if you go here again, you see it says what you get. All transcripts are available online. So you can click here and it shows you the different types of transcripts you can get, okay? You can get a tax return transcript. You can get a tax account transcript. You can get record of account transcript. And you can get wage and income transcript. What is a wage and income transcript? W-2s, 1098s, 1099s, and 5498s. So it tells you exactly what type of transcript you can get here. And you have the description of every type of transcript that you need. Okay? So that's how you get a copy of any type of transcript, whether it's a W-2, whether it's a tax return, whether it's a tax account transcript. You can get it from the IRS website. Okay? Hope this helps.